where's Mama?
There's Lukey.
Look at her. Look at her eyes so she looks at you.
This is what she does every time she sees Lukey.
Where's Luke?
She has a friend.
Every time she looks at him. What is
Oh my
the
goodness,
matter?
she's so funny.
What's it doing?
Oh, can I wipe her mouth?
It's just
It's a
baby
little
drool.
Oh, what?
Oh,
What?
Toby.
Now you're complaining?
Toby.
Oh my goodness.
She's so soft. What are you screaming about?
Oh, you're complaining? She's just complaining. She's complaining.
Are you yelling or are you happy? Are you happy? Oh, don't scream.
No, it's not him. She's
Is she yelling or is she upset?
She can't.